Hey guys, it's Msnr, and today I'm going to teach you guys Classic A, Classic B, SBR, RBS, UML, IDM, TS, and CRT. In this one class, I'm going to teach you all the stuffs, and also I'm going to teach you guys Fibonacci and how to define the market, how to analyze the market, and how to use the all the key levels. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, I will teach you guys Classic A, Classic B. Okay, so what is Classic A? First of all, let me try it. Wait a second. So as you guys can see here, we have here two big candle. Okay. So first of all, let me tell you the rules. If you want to find the Classic A, Classic B, which is support and resistance in Msnr, so always you have to open 4H. Okay. You have to find out the key level on 4H first. Then if you are going to get the key level on the 4H, then you have to check 3H, then 2H, then 1H. Then sometime you can check one day. I don't check that much, but 4H is main, then 3H, 2H, 1H. So let's say we have here this Classic A on 4H. Okay, the down one, which is for buying, it's we call Classic V. My bad, guys. So we call it Classic V. It's for buying. It's a buying level. Okay, Classic V, and all you have to draw the body, not the wick. Okay, it's your Classic V. Now let me show you guys Classic A. So you can see, guys, we have again two candle. So only you have to draw the body, not the wick. Okay, and it's our Classic A, which is for selling. So how you can play the trade from here? So we have the Classic A and Classic V on 4H, right? So when market going to tap to your Classic V, then you have to go to smaller time frame, then you have to find out the anti-model, then you can play the trade like this. Okay, simply. And in Classic A, when market going to tap to your Classic A, then if market going to give you all the anti-models I'm going to teach you, then you can play the trade from here. Okay, it's the basics. In advance we're going to add on a lot of stuff for confirmation. Okay, so let me show you how to draw it. So it's a gold, you can see, guys, XAUSD. First of all, we have one example here, right here. We had here Classic V, right? Classic V. Market tapped and we got a damage rejection from here. So market tapped, then you have to go to smaller time frame, then you have to find out the entry model, then you can play the trade from here, right? Now we have here Classic A. Sorry, wait. You can see we have here Classic A, market tapped and we got again rejection. Then we had here another Classic V, market again tapped and started buying. In advance we took direct entries, but in basics you should wait for entry models. Okay, now if you're going to get any trouble in candles chart, then you can go to line chart. You can see chart types, you have to go to chart types, you have to tap, then you can see line chart, you have to tap to the line chart, and your chart will be like this. So all the highs will be your Classic A, like this, Classic A. All the lows will be your Classic V, and not all the key levels is for entries. Okay, now you have to find out the real one. I will show you how to refine. Okay, so in line chart we can draw it easily. So Classic V market tapped and we got rejection, then Classic A. Then we had here another Classic A, but market didn't respect it. Okay, if you're going to get the anti order, you can take, but the main problem is like market here got liquidities. That's why that didn't work. I will show you guys lesson by lesson how to draw, how to refine, and other stuffs. Now yeah, we can see we had here another Classic A, market didn't respect it, but it's not mean didn't respect it. All you have to find out the anti-model. If you're going to get the anti-model, then you can take the trade from here. Okay, otherwise you should just give up on this trade. Okay, now we had here, you can see classic V here. If you're going to have any doubts, then you should go to line chart, then it will be very helpful. See, okay, it's simple. Now the question is how you can refine mean like, let's say in 4H you have that, wait, let me show you here, wait, let's say it's your 4H key level. Okay, but I just told you guys you have to check all the time frames. Okay, and now think in 2H, sorry, in 3H, your 3H key level is here, somewhere here. Okay, and also let me draw the candle, how it's going to look like. So as you can see guys, we have this, the downside one, this is a 4H, and let's think into a 2H or 3H, your key level is here. Okay, so in this case, how you going to know which key level is going to work? The question is so simple guys. Let's say the market is here, market going to tap to your key level, which is classic A for selling, market tapped. So the main point is, if market going to give you all the anti modules, then you can take the trade from here. Okay, otherwise if market on going to give you the anti model, then you should wait for this key level. If market going to tap, and if market going to give you all the anti model, then you can play from that, you can play the trade from here. Otherwise you should give up. Okay, simple bro. There's a lot of people just think like, yeah, or 4H key level is not work, then we should give up on this trade. No bro, not only 4H work here, all the time frame work. All you have to just know how it's going to work. Sometimes market just trap here, market going to trap you on the 4H, then market going to reverse from the 2H. Okay, same for classic V, just simple, it will be your V level, which is for buying level, and same. Okay, so classic A, classic V done here. Now let me teach you guys SBR RBS. And again, let me tell you, always you have to, if you're going to open any pair, you have to start analyze from 4H. Okay, you have to first find out the key level on 4H. If you don't going to have the key level on 4H, then you should check 3H, then 2H, then 1H, but try to focus on only 4H. Then sometime, then after analyzing, for knowing the bias, you can check the daily time frame. Okay, I will show you how to define properly. So now let me show you what is RBS, what is SBR in Msnr. So just think it is your 3H chart. Okay, just think 3H. Okay, so as you can see, it was our past, in past it was our A level. Now this got broke, it was your A level, which was for buying level, right? We known it was our buying level, but market broke, so it's going to be in future RBS, resistance becomes support, it will be your RBS now. Okay, the A level will be your RBS in future, because market broke the structure and market went to too much high. Okay, it's not mean market have to went too much high. Like if market going to close the body and at least should go a bit, then if market going to reverse on this key level, which we call RBS, resistance becomes support, then in basics we have to wait for confirmation. In advance you can take direct entries, but direct entries always risky bro. I will teach you guys in advance how to take. Okay, but for now, market tapped in your RBS. Now again you have to wait for anti models. If you're going to get the anti model as like classic A, classic B, then you can play the trade from here and you can target any key level. Okay, simple. Now same, if I going to reverse it, it was your in past V level, classic V. Market didn't respect and broke the structure downside, and market went to bit low. Now when market going to tap to your this classic V in future, it will be your SBR, support become resistance. Okay, so you can take the direct entry. you have to wait for NT module. If you're going to get the NT module, then you can play the trade from here simply. Okay, and the timing for it same as like classic A, classic B, mainly 4H, 3H, 2H, 1H. SBR RBS work on 1H, 2H, so superly, bro. To be honest, any time in any time frame it's work. Actually, you just know how to refine the market. Okay, so let me show you how to draw in real chart. We have this 4H, right? First of all, you can see this one. Wait, let me show you properly. See, market started buy, then dip a bit, then again buy. Then market broke the structure here. Okay, it's not mean you need a broke structure properly, but the main question is it was your V level in the past, right? But market broke and went to buy a sell a bit. Okay, not bit, a lot. Now it will be your RBS. Let me show you in line chart. You can see this one. This one is also SBR. Okay, guys, but the main one is this one because it was the first leg. The buying started, buying end here and started selling from here, so it was our main leg. You can draw the both. Okay, now you guys going to ask me, hey bro, there is a 2 SBR, which is going to work in live market. It is the main question. For now, just let me teach you like this. I will show you how to define. Okay, so we had here 2 SBR. First is here, second is here. So okay, let me tell you how to refine. First of all, we have 2 SBR, right? If market going to tap to your first one, and if market going to give you the anti modules, I'm going to teach you what is anti module. Then you can trade. You can take the trade from here. Otherwise, if market only going to give you the anti modules, then if market going to tap to the next one, which is the last extreme one, and again if market going to give you the anti module, then you can trade the place. And also it was the main one because why? Also we have, you can see classic A level there. Wait, both key levels align with same area. So it was our main, but market didn't tap. Market tapped to the first one and started selling. So at that time, if market giving you the key levels, sorry, entry model, then you can play the trade from here. And guys, my English is not that much good, so just ignore it. Okay, now. Sorry for that, guys. Now RBS. Wait. Here we had RBS. First of all, it was our A level. Okay. Market broke and it's become resistance. Okay, let me show you in line chart. Okay, now you guys going to ask me why not that one. That is also RBS, right? Yeah, that is also RBS. But the thing is, also we had their classic A also, both key levels almost in same area. So I just told you guys, if you're going to, sorry, classic V, I just told you guys, if market going to give you the anti models from there, then you can play the trade. Otherwise, all you have to wait for anti model. Now market came here, you can see, and market started reverse from here. Actually, it was the extreme one, that's why market came here. Okay. Also here we had QML, but market didn't tap. Leave it. I will teach you what is QML. The main question is, if market only going to respect your key level, if market going to tap to the extreme one, then if market going to give you the anti model, then you can play the trade. Otherwise, all you have to just give up on that trade. Okay, wait for the another setup. Okay, here we had another SBR, this one. If you're going to have problem to find out in real chart, then you should go to line chart, and you can see that is purely SBR. Market tapped and we got rejection. If market going to give you the anti model, then you can trade the plate. Okay, so hope you guys understand what is SBR RBS. Let me show you one more time. Time frame is same as classic A, classic B type. Just think, market went by and started ranging here. Now you have this RBS. Okay, so market came here and tapped. Then market, if market going to give you the anti model, then you can trade the play. You can play the trade from here. Okay, otherwise if there will be the classic V somewhere near, then you can play the trade from there. Okay, if market going to give you the anti models. Okay, RBS, sorry, SBR. So the simply classic V will be in your future SBR, and classic A will be your RBS in future. Okay, it's simple. Got it?